Security and communication define modern businesses. Advanced CCTV systems that watch, record, and protect 24/7. Biometric attendance and intelligent access control only the right people, at the right place, at the right time. Fully integrated systems that connect security, access, and monitoring into one powerful platform. Professional video conferencing solutions that bring teams together anytime, anywhere. Our dedicated sales engineering team not only provides expert guidance to choose the best solutions, but also stands with you after the sale with premium support, including warranty assistance and priority service. We maintain one of the strongest inventories in the region. Whether you need 1 laptop or 1,000 laptops, we ensure one-day delivery, fast, reliable, and always on time.